Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel at the rate BMS Lectures. So, in today's video, we'll discuss about top government BAMS colleges in India. So, number one in our list is BHU, that is Banaras Hindu University. As you already have heard about it, it is a central college and research university located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, India and founded in 1916. The university incorporated the Central Hindu College founded by Indian Home Ruler, leaguer and theosopist Annie Besant in 1898. After Besant and her associates were marginalized, the university was established by Madan Mohan Malviya with the support of Maharaj of Darbhanga Rameshwar Singh, the Maharaja of Benares Prabhu Narayan Singh and the lawyer Sundar Lal. With over 30,000 students and 1800 residing on campus, BHU is the largest residential university in Asia. The university is one of the 8 public institutions declared as an institute of eminence by the Government of India. It is also one of the 12 institutions from India in BRICS Universities League, a consortium of leading research universities from BRICS countries. BHU has often referred to by different names throughout the history and present. Some of the English names include Banaras Hindu University, Banaras Hindu University and Hindu University. The founder name is Central Hindu University and its motto is Knowledge Imparts Immortality. It was established on 4th of February 1916, 108 years ago. Can you believe it? I have already told you about its founders. So now let's talk about how is BHU. BHU is organized into 6 institutions, 14 facilities and about 140 departments. As of 2020, the total student enrollment at the university is 30,698 coming from 48 countries. It has over 65 hostels for resident students. Several of its facilities and institutes include arts, social sciences, commerce, management studies, science performing arts, law, agricultural science, medicines, medical science and environment and sustainable development along with departments of linguistics. Centralized in 1916 through the Banaras Hindu University Act, Banaras Hindu University is India's first central university. BHU celebrated its century year in 2015-16. Let's talk about its main campus. Banaras Hindu University's main campus is located on the northern edge of Varanasi near the banks of river Ganges. Development of the main campus is spread over 1,370 acres, that is 5.5 kilometers square, started in 1916 on land donated by then Kashi Naresh Prabhu Narayan Singh. The campus layout approximates a semicircle with intersecting roads laid out along the radii or in arcs. Buildings built in the first half of the century are fine examples of Indo-Gothic architecture. The campus has over 65 hostels offering residential accommodation for over 12,000 students. On-campus housing is also available to a majority of full-time facility. The main entrance gate and boundary wall was built on the donation made by Maharaja of Balrampur, Maharaja Pratheshwar Prasad Singh, and is named after him as Singh Dwar. Sir Sundar Lal Hospital on the campus is a teaching hospital for the Institute of Medical Sciences. Established in 1926 with 96 beds, it has since been expanded to over 900 beds and is the largest tertiary referral hospital in the region. Sayaji Rao Gakwada Library is the main library on the campus and houses over 1.3 million volumes as of 2011. Completed in 1941, its construction was financed by Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gavadekar III of Baroda. In addition to the main library, there are 3 institute libraries, each facility libraries and over 25 departmental libraries available to student and staff. The most prominent landmark is the Sri Vishwanatha Mandir located in the center of the campus. The foundation for this 252 feet high complex of 7 temples was laid in March 1931 and took almost 3 decades to complete. Hall of Residence. BHU is a fully residential university with a total of 66 hostels, 41 hostels for male, 21 hostels for female students, and 4 hostels for international students. Hostels in the university are divided among different facilities, institutions, campuses, and college catering to their specific demands. Out of the 4 separate hostels for international students, 2 are for boys and the other 2 for girls. Hostels of the universities are named after several historically important figures such as Raja Baldev Das, Chukal Kishore Birla, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Rani Lakshmibai, and M. Vishwavir Sarya. Some hostels are named after important rivers of India. Triveni, for instance, was initially a cluster of 3 girls' hostels named after the river Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati, thereby the cluster being called the Triveni Sangam. Later, hostels named after river Godavari and Kaveri were also added to the Triveni block. BHU also provides on-campus residence to a substantial number of teaching and non-teaching staff. There are 654 quarters for teaching staff, 688 quarters for non-teaching staff. Now let's talk about the International Center. BHU established International Center, a university department in 2004 to handle all international academic affairs such as foreign students, applications, international collaborations, international alumni outreach. There is also the University Museum. The University Museum, Bharat Kala Bhavan, is an art and archaeological museum on the campus established in January 1920. At its first chairman was Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore and his nephew Vanindranath Tagore as the vice chairman. The museum was expanded and gained prominence with the efforts of Rai Krishnadasa. The museum is best known for its collection of Indian paintings but also includes archaeological artifacts, textiles and costumes, Indian philately, as well as literary and archival materials. The Alice Bonner Gallery was also set up at Bharat Kala Bhavan with the assistance of the Alice Bonner Foundation in 1989 to mark the birth century of Alice Bonner. Institutes. The Banaras Hindu University mainly constitutes of 6 institutes. The Institute of Technology, that is Banaras Hindu University IIT BHU, has its roots in the Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, that is ITBHU. Upon receiving a proposal from the MHRD to convert ITBHU into an Indian Institute of Technology, the university's Executive Council approved the change in 2012. Today, the IIT-BHU functions as an autonomous IIT with certain powers vested in the BHU. IIT provides courses to UG, PG and PhD level. The Institute of Science, established as the Faculty of Science and later upgraded, provided education in zoology, botany, biochemistry, computer science, geography, mathematics, physics, geology, geophysics, chemistry, statics. The institute also publishes the double-blind, peer-reviewed Journal of Scientific Research. Established in 1931 as the Institute of Agricultural Research, the Institute of Agricultural Sciences is one of the premier institutes of agricultural sciences in India. The institute comprises 11 departments and 4 auxiliary units and imparts education through undergraduate, postgraduate, special courses, PhD and diploma programs. Institute of Medical Sciences, that is IMSBHU, we will discuss about it later in this video, so please watch it till end. Now let us talk about the faculties. There are 9 standalone which are not under any institute or college faculties at the Banaras Hindu University, founded in 1898 as a Central Hindu College. The Faculty of Arts is the oldest faculty of the university. It offers courses in history, culture, philosophy, languages, literature, along with various professional and vocational courses. Due to its nature of age, it is also called the Mother of Faculty of the university. Established in 1940 as the Department of Commerce, the Faculty of Commerce was fully institutionalized as an independent faculty in 1965. The FOC offers courses at undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral levels in commerce, financial management, foreign trade and risk and insurance. Established in 1918 as the Teaching Trainer College, the Faculty of Education is based out of the Kamacha complex outside main campus. The FOE provides B.Ed, that is Special Visual Impairment, M.Ed and PhD in Education. Admissions. Starting academic year 2022, the university has confirmed shifting towards the All India Common University Entrance Test, that is CUET, for admission to several undergraduate and postgraduate courses, which shall replace the Banaras Hindu University Undergraduate Entrance Test, that is BHU UET, and Banaras Hindu University Postgraduate Entrance Test, that is BHU PET exams. Admissions are done according to course-wise eligibility criteria set by the university, merit in the entrance tests, and as per the reservation policy of Government of India. Admission to undergraduate programs of IIT BHU are only through JEE Advanced. Similarly, admission to programs of IMS BHU and FVAS BHU are only through NEET, and the admissions to FMS BHU is through a mix of common admission test and personal interview. So you have to crack NEET in order to get into BHU. So you have to get a very high ranking, because BHU is a very reputed institution and you will need a high cutoff and good number of marks in order to get an admission even in Ayurveda there. Don't think that you will get low if you are having lesser marks, so you will get admission in BHU in Ayurveda branch, but no, it is a very high university, reputed university, so you will be needing high grades for admission in this university. So now let's talk about the second university, that is Ayurveda, TBA and Unani University. I have already talked about it in my previous video, that is top BAMS colleges in India. The link is in the description. You can go and check it out from there. Now the third which comes in the number is Institute of Medical Sciences, that is IMS BHU. The Institute of Medical Sciences is one of the 6 institutes of Banaras Hindu University in Varanasi, India, and comprises 3 faculties: Faculty of Medicine, Dental Sciences and Ayurveda. The Institute of Medical Sciences is this medical school of university like other institutions forming BHU. It is residential and co-educational. In 2018, it was upgraded to the status of AIIMS by Government of India. What is the motto of IMS BHU? It is no virtue is greater than treatment. It is a medical education and research institute. The institute is affiliated to Banaras Hindu University and offers medical and paramedical courses at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Admission in BAMS, MBBS and BDS courses is on the basis of merit through NEET. Admission in nursing courses is through exams conducted on university level. It has 45 departments under 3 faculties. Campus. The campus of IMS lies at the front part of university. The campus contains the medical college, the hospital, the student and resident hostels, the staff quarters, a post office, a temple, that is BHU Vishwanathaji, playgrounds and sporting fields. While the hospital section of the campus is typically crowded and busy, the residential part of the campus is quiet and idyllic, punctuated with small parks. IAMS is not under the direct administrative control of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, but under Banaras Hindu University and Autonomous Central University. The 3 functions of institute are to impart quality education in undergraduate and postgraduate medical and paramedical courses, to be a trend setter in medical research, and to offer patient care of high order. The institute is headed by the director as the chief executive charged with responsibility of running the institute and the hospital. The deans of the faculties help the director in coordinating academic activities of the institute, including teaching and research. There are 28 academic departments headed by the heads of department. Ancillary hospital service is under the direct supervision of the medical superintendent, with the individual unit supervised by technical heads. the student life here. The campus are three hostels for undergraduate men named Punarvasu Atreya Hostel and Ruika Medical Hostel and Dhanvantri Hostel, and four hostel for postgraduate men named Old PG Hostel, New PG Hostel, Shishuta Hostel, Ruia Annexe and Married Doctor Hostel. Undergraduate and postgraduate women live in New Doctor Girls Hostel and Nagarjuna Hostel respectively. All hostels runs their own messes. The student activity, the Intercollegiate Cultural, Literary and Sports Festival of IMS is called Elixir and is held in mid-March every year. Both the undergraduate men's hostel and the undergraduate women's hostel hold annual hostel days. This was all about IMS BHU. If you are going to get admission there, you are very lucky, and it is really a dream college to get entered into. The next college we're talking about is Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, formerly Indraprastha University, is a state university located in Dwarka, Delhi, India. The university is organized around 14 university schools and 3 university centers that focuses on programs in law, medicine, technology, education, entrepreneurship, science and business. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University was established as Indraprastha University on State University under the provisions of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University Act 1998 with its amendment in 1999. The university is recognized by University Grants Commission India under section 12B of the UGC Act. The university was named after the ancient city of Indraprastha, which features prominently in the epic of Mahabharata. In 2001, the university was officially renamed as Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University GGSIPU after the 10th Sikh Guru Gobind Singh. Let's talk about organization and administration here. The university has 14 university schools, 12 of them are on the campus in Dwarka and 2 schools, USAR and USID, are on the New East Delhi campus. There are 4 centers within the university for research in disaster management studies, pharmaceutical sciences, human values and ethics, and a center of incubation cum technological commercialization, ICIT. UCITC. 3 of these centers are in the campus in Dwarka, while UCITC is in East Delhi campus. So it is a very good university. If you want to take admission in the affiliated colleges, there are more than 120 affiliates of the university which are run according to the rule and regulation set by the university. World ranking. According to Web Biometrics, AP University has a world ranking of 3,374. It has a continental ranking of 1,073 and country rank of 162, which is a very nice rank, and it is a very good university if you want to study in. The next university we are talking about is Aryabhatta Knowledge University, which is situated in Patna. Aryabhatta Knowledge University, AKU Patna, is a collegiate public state university located in Mithapur, Patna, Bihar, India. It was named after the Indian astronomer Aryabhatta. Apart from a few notable exceptions, it is recognized and approved by AICTE. It is a statutory requirement for colleges offering any program in professional courses in the state to be affiliated with the university. It also has 4 schools: Center for Geographical Studies, Center for River Studies, Center for Journalism and Mass Communication, and Patliputra School of Economics. So if you want to take admission there, it is really a good chance. The next we are talking about is Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, Jamnagar. Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, that is ITRA, Jamnagar, Gujarat, India, was founded in 1967. It has a joint campus with an Institute of National Importance established in 2020. The director here is Anup Thakur and its location is in Jamnagar, Gujarat, India. It is a very renowned university. If you haven't heard about ITRA still, then you can get knowledge through this video, and you can also check other videos because it is really a very nice institute in which you can take admission in. In 1954, Government of India has started a premier research center of Ayurveda named as Central Institute for Research in Indigenous System of Medicine CIRISM at Jamnagar in the great building named Dhanvantri Mandir, which was built for housing the Ayurvedic institutions. Its missions are to serve as a custodian of classical and traditional knowledge of Ayurveda and elite sciences, to develop excelled Ayurvedic physicians, to develop competent human resources for teaching and research in Ayurveda and allied sciences, to serve as center of excellence for Ayurveda and allied sciences, to disseminate the knowledge of Ayurveda among the society, to carry out the extension activity for propagation of Ayurveda. There are so many facilities, as you can see they are having very nice facilities here, and the courses offered are MD and MS in Ayurveda, M Pharma in Ayurveda, MSc, that is Ayurvedic MSc in Ayurvedic medicinal plants, PhD in Ayurveda, and many more courses. So this was all about the government Ayurveda colleges in India. If you want to know anything more, comment below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and tell me how many marks you are getting in this